Hi everyone. In the previous lecture, we discussed about the data types and the variable. Let's open the VS Code first. Let's open the episode 2 data types and the variable and first.c. In the last lecture, we discussed about data types and the variable in the C. What is the data type? Why we need data types in the C? And also discuss the very good example. I give you the assignment of the episode 2. Please solve the assignment 2 and then we move in the lecture 3rd or episode 3rd. In the today's lecture, we discuss about the what is the variable rules, how to write the good variable names, and also discuss about the keywords in C. Let's create a file first.c and write the basic boilerplate code. We all know that first include the header file in the C, extend the input, then write the main function and return 0. Okay, so I already said that we study about the what is the variable rules and the keywords in the C. So basically we have three rules, for the writing the variables. What are the three rules? First rule is the very simple. Whatever you write the variable names, it can be combination of alphabets 1 to 31 alphabets and underscore and digit. This is the basic rule. So alphabets and alphabets and underscore and combination of digits. Like for example, I give an example so you can understand easily. User12, that is a perfect name. Second rule is the known variable name can start from can start from the underscore and a alphabet letter like U, P, X, Y, Z, like that. For example, underscore user. This is the valid name, valid username. Valid variable. If I give an example like user, this is the wrong. We cannot write. This is a wrong in the C. So, and the third rule is the very basic and the simple. This is actually second rule. The second rule. Give the tab so you can understand easily. Third rule is you cannot use what is the keyword as a variable. But you can ask me what is the keywords in a C. Keywords actually are simple words which are the already defined and compiler know that about. Okay, these are what. Now what is the work of these words? Okay, and you cannot use for the general purpose in program or in program. Okay, like for, you cannot use for. If you use for, compiler gives an error. Like, let's produce some errors so we can understand easily. Int n is equals to 2. That is a character. But what happens, we write the int for is equal to 4. You can send easily. VS Code gives the red lines. Accepted and identifier. Because we cannot use. Let's save the file and run the code. Cd dot episode 03. Clear the terminal and run the command. How to run? C++ or GCC first.c and output in the directory of same directory first. After that, first we execute, compile the code. So you accepted identifier or before or. It means we cannot use the before for because for is actually keywords reserved word in the C. So this gives an error. So that is our basic rules are there in the C. But let more discuss about the what is the keywords in the C and what are the keywords. So I open the assignment where I put the all keywords for you. So assignment. So where I put, I think I put in solution. I don't remember exactly. Yeah, I put in the solution. So you can easily work. Auto, double, int, struct, switch, long. So we have a total 32 keywords in the C, which is actually result in the C we cannot use in our code base for general purpose. If you have a specific purpose, then you can use easily. Like you cannot use do. Let's try the use of do. So in do is equal to for. Compiler gives an error. VS Code also show the error. So we cannot use. This is also error. So this is actually very basic lecture. I asked to solve assignment before moving the next lecture. Now, this assignment are very tough to solve because if you don't watch the video number 1, video number 2, so you cannot solve this assignment. So please watch assignment 1, video 1, video number 1, video number 2, and then come to episode 3 and solve the assignment. Please don't go for a solution because solution is very easy part of this assignment. Like I can how to solve assignment, I can tell you the some tips like understand first question, part valid or invalid. So you can identify the what is the valid variables name, what are the not. Like count is a variable. Second place is not because variable only can start from the alphabet or underscore, not from a digit like that. Second thing, you find out the error and correct the code according to you. Okay. And third thing I also say about the one thing I forget. Let's open the file again. You cannot use space in between of variable name like int user age is equal to 45. You cannot use space. This gives an error. Okay. So always try to use hyphen or underscore. Okay. So compiler can understand, VS Code ID also can understand. So this is the very basic lecture. I know that. In the next lecture, we discuss about the how to take input from the user and print on the terminal side. Okay. So let's end this lecture. Before end this lecture, I can one thing. I pushed all the things to GitHub. Lecture 03 is added. Okay. So please check this GitHub repository. You can find many more things about this. So let's end this lecture.